Nodefy is an open source cloud platform that helps students to learn how really the cloud system works. We did not provide the infrastructure for the students, we just provide the software. College have a server, they can just clone our repository and start our software. They can provide the isolated environment for the students to learn about how the cloud system works. In our app we have main three features: explore, build, deploy. By seeing the explore feature, students can explore the different types of Linux families like Ubuntu, Kali, Fedora, CentOS. They can also learn in our platform. We provide the basic, moderate and package installations commands, so they can learn from the scratch without need of any installations for the virtual machines like VirtualBox. They just click the deploy button, we provide the instance, they can just SSH and use that instance to learn about the Linux. And we have the feature called build. The build feature is mainly focused on the how the multi node architectures works in the real world cloud platforms. By taking the real world production servers, they have multiple instances for their applications to run. Like they have the dedicated server for the database, they have the dedicated server for the app, they have the dedicated server for the proxy. So the user can create the multiple instances in our application. They can normally SSH into that, and they can learn how actually the multi-node architecture works. And our one another feature is deploy. They can just give the GitHub repository link, we install all the required dependencies for their application, and also we teaches them how to start their app server and how to deploy their applications on their own. We just provide the steps, they can follow that steps and learn about that steps to deploy their applications. We are not teaching, we are make them to doing how to deploy on their own, so they can deploy their applications without need of buying the domain and VPS server for their application. They can use the Cloudflare tunnel. We used the Cloudflare tunnel for this to deploy their applications on their own. So basically this apps helps students to learn more about the cloud without need of any complex setup. So if the app came to online, it can we believe that many students are benefits by using this application.